natural disasters. They can cause 1, avalanches, 2, tsunamis, 3, mudslides, which we will be learning about next from Colleen. No, hers is next. My question, will my volcano erupt straight up like a composite volcano, or will it bubble over like an lava acid cone volcano? My hypothesis. I thought that it would bubble over like an acid lava cone volcano because this is what usually happens when mixing the types of ingredients that I am using today. And also because this fizzy stuff. My materials. Today I will be using a clay volcano, baking soda, vinegar, red and yellow food coloring, salsa water, laundry detergent, and little people and animals, just to add the excitement since this is only a replica of a volcano. Interesting fact. Did you know that 4,000 years ago there was a volcano right down the road from here in Cerro? It made a huge crater that is still there. It's a popular place to go hiking. Historical facts. Mount Krakatoa killed 40,000 people and made an ash cloud so big that it changed the Earth's temperature for 5 years. My conclusion. My hypothesis was correct because the lava did bubble over the volcano like an acid lava cone volcano, but slower than I thought it would. I could have made a composite cone volcano that erupts straight up if I had used Mentos and soda. It would have been pretty cool, but very messy. And now, we create this, pour all of it in.
What is it, Grant?
It is laundry detergent. Well, but just in a little bit, and pour all of it in if you want to do this activity at home. Okay, this is the stuff that makes it really, really bubbly.
Say what it is.
It is the salsa water. Oh. The third step is baking soda. Is it going to explode? Maybe it will. Put it all in like so.
It's okay, Grant. Just throw it in.
Okay. And the last but not least step is vinegar with baking soda. I used red and yellow food coloring to make it turn into like some orange color. Okay, so audience, can you help me count down 5 from 0 and when we get to 0, I'm going to pour the last ingredient and causing it to erupt. Starting now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh shit. I'll get paper towels.
No, Sam, stay put, buddy. Sorry.
It looks like those kids just aren't dissolving. They're just like
normally we wouldn't share.